is the lemon. Okay, now everybody, taste it. Sip-sip na. Sige, sip-sip na. Sige, kailangan maubos ha. Wala ka pa, Bryle? O, get, ay.
I like lemon.
Okay, Bryle, oh, this. Okay, sige, oh, this one for you. Okay.
Lemon.
Okay, get, everybody, show me your face. Sip-sip, ang lemon. Sip-sip. Oh, you eat na, you sip-sip na. Okay, na, oh, okay, sige na. Oh, it's good for our body. Okay. It's so good. Okay, good job. Very good. Sarap. Yummy. Anong taste, Natalia? Yummy. Oh, how about you? Sour. But it's okay. Kinain mo din. Oh, sige, tikman nyo pa.
Later, when I go at home, I'm gonna sip this.
Okay, sige, sige. Oh, you sit down na. Oh, you sit down na rin. Ano? Okay, pag tumayo talaga si Aling Hope, tatayo si Mang Adam. Okay, oh, sit down na. Hold your spoon. Gagamitin niyo yan mamaya sa ampalaya.
Wakin nyo lang, ano nyo.
Okay.